Moderna releases some quarterly results. Let's get to Meg Terrell with the details. Hi, Meg.
Hey, Joe. We got quarterly results and some vaccine news from Moderna this morning. We'll start with their earnings. This is the first time in the country's history they've reported a profit on a GAAP basis. They said it came in at $2.84 per share. Analysts were looking for $2.39. Revenue was just short of analyst estimates at $1.94 billion in the first quarter. Analysts were looking for $2.04 billion. Their COVID vaccine in the first quarter brought in $1.7 billion in revenue. They are now saying they expect $19.2 billion in 2021 based on contracts they've signed. Now, for some of the vaccine news we're getting this morning, the first look at data in teens for their COVID vaccine, kids ages 12 to 17, they are saying they've seen vaccine efficacy of 96% in that group in a trial of about 3,000 teenagers they ran. They saw about 12 cases, so these are pretty small numbers, but 96% efficacy. They also say, similar to Pfizer, they plan to start a rolling application for full approval of the vaccine this month in the United States. And they're noting in the release here that looking forward to 2022, they expect purchase agreements next year should be higher than they are this year because of agreements they've made with COVAX, the facility to provide vaccines for low and middle income countries, as well as Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and Latin America. Guys, Moderna does look like it's down pre-market. Of course, there was that COVID vaccine waiver news yesterday, so a lot to digest here. Guys?
Yeah, the 19.2 is a little bit higher than the previous. The 19.2 billion for revenue for 2021 is a little higher than they had previously indicated. So boosting that, but that's not. The shares are already down based on some of the other news.
I'm actually not sure. They were down yesterday before the market closed on the COVID vaccine waiver news. Then they were up after hours on the news that the company had some positive booster data. And so they're just kind of, this is not a big move for Moderna.
No, not.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.